But the reality it is, if you do that and you enunciate your words like this, then you can use voice for typing. You can use voice for controlling stuff, asking the assistant stuff. And as these new AI tools get better, you can do that. So learning to use voice typing, and then also we use a word tool. It's called Dictanote. It's a basic thing like Google Docs, but it's basic and simple. And then we use Grammarly, and then we use a program called Change Case. So using all these together, this lesson shows you how you can use those tools to create copy. And what we typically do is we create copy on these tools, and then we go and paste it wherever we need it. Maybe it's in a comment section on a social media, or maybe it's in an email. But using the tools we recommend to do it, it's just easier. It's easier to do corrections. It's easier to move things around. It's easier to pull things from different places and aggregate them in the same place. And that's what we show you how to do in this tool. So if you do this and learn that, you're going to be more efficient. And it's something that goes right to the bottom line, because it's directly in your ability to increase your efficiency, and it will do it really quickly. So we strongly recommend voice typing, and the micro lesson we have teaches you how to use it.